Hello and welcome to the transcription explanation of these two designs. They actually say the same thing, which is I've made a huge mistake. And these two designs are designed to fit within the parameters my commissioner gave me, and this one is horizontal and this one is vertical. And you read the script starting at the bottom and going counterclockwise, like a time traveler going back in time, and that's noted here. So that means our first letter of our first word is here in this design, whereas here it's like this, and we read each of them bottom counterclockwise, like that. Alright, with that being said, let's go ahead and get to reading these designs. So, this is the first letter, and it is a smaller circle. These smaller circles, they're all vowels, and vowels are noted here, and an I is on the line of the word circle when it's by itself, with a line going towards the middle of the word. So this is the I, so is that here. This is kind of like the unraveled linear version of the script, and here's the I here. So I, and then we have these two lines going from the word circle off into not any of the other letter stems or anything, so these are just punctuation marks. And this double parallel line is an apostrophe, which is noted here. And then we have this shallow divot with one line, which gotta notice the typos, yo. There. Boom. Okay. Cool. So now we have a V here, and then an E. So I, V, E. And then an M has 1, 2, 3 lines, 1, 2, 3 lines. A outside the word circle, A outside the word circle. This deep divot here has 1, 2, 3 dots. The dots are the filled in little circles. There's the 3 dots in this D. And then last but not least, we have the E here on this made, and then the E here in this made. This is actually the word circle for the word It is a completed circle with just the little A vowel by it. And then we have this next word here, which is a deep divot. So bottom here, deep divot, 1, 2 lines on it, 1, 2 lines, and then the U has a line going outwards, so HU, and then a G is a deep divot with 1 line, deep divot, 1 line, and then an E. So these two are done quite similarly as far as how I put things together, so that would be huge. And then last but not least, we have mistake, which starting at the bottom, our first letter in this one is here, 1, 2, 3 lines end on it. Lines that go through don't count. This is the I line going more towards the middle than towards the outside. This shallow divot here has 1, 2, 3 lines on it, so that would be an S. T, shallow divot, A outside the word circle, K, 1, 2 dots, E inside it. So this A here is closer to this word than this. Again, this is the word circle here. This is just the sentence circle. This is the word circle here, but this is equidistant between the sentence circle and the word circle, so it goes with the word circle. So that would be how this says mistake. And in this one, bottoms here, we have 1, 2, 3 lines on the M, I line going towards the middle, S shallow divot, 1, 2, 3 lines, T. It's important that this I line goes through the T and doesn't end on it, otherwise it would be a V. Here's the A outside the word circle, 2 dots on the K, and then last but not least the E. So that is how these two designs say the same thing, which is I've made a huge mistake. So yeah, that's that. I hope you like it. Thanks. Bye.